Corvini
Good
Hydrating
afternoon.
Brightening
So today,
Moisturizing
mag-check tayo
Serum.
product since kakarating lang ng mga produktong ito. So I received my free sample products. So and this is one of these is this one. Corvini. So Corvini Hydrating Brightening and Moisturizing Serum. So it has 6 times dendrobium. Sinerch ko pa yung dendrobium kung ano yun. So it's the species of a plant. So orchids pala yun. So with 1,500 species. So it can be found in tropical countries. So like dito sa atin sa Philippines, in Asia, and in Australia. So based on my research. Dahil curious ako kung ano yun. Okay, and the ingredients are water, glycerin, glycerol 26, phenolcytanol, carbomer, arginine, ethyl glycerin, and many more. Okay, so sobrang excited talaga akong i-try itong product na to. Okay, now let's start. Let's open. So ito siya sa loob. Okay. And by the way pala, so thank you so much sa store. Thank you for sending me your products. Ma'am Gina Medalla, thank you so much. Okay, so ito siya. Ito yung product pag nabuksan. Okay, napaka-simple ng kanyang bottle. So what I like it the most is they uses science to create health and beauty. Okay, patak lang natin, 4 na patak, and then we're going to put it in my face. Okay. Parang talaga siyang parang water lang yung inilagay ko sa face ko. So, walang masyadong amoy. Okay, which is good kasi I have a very sensitive nose. Naghahatching ako sa mga aromatic na products. At eto na. So it's done. So that's it. Corvini.